Hey, what are we doing today, DeMarco?
Gabe's about to eat 40 fucking cough drops.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, we're just, on the way to get some cough drops. Oh, shit. Hey, yo, welcome to Gabe TV. Walter had no luck finding cough drops, so I'm gonna go on my own journey. Picked up a light 80. Hey. Hopefully this will be enough to stop my cough. We got honey lemon flavor, the economy pack.
Whoa. Flakes on it.
And I won't cough for weeks. Here we go. Economy pack. Ooh, look at them. Sheesh. That you can find. Open the door. What's up? Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I'm sorry.
My fault.
Literally 2 minutes past 4 hours.
You know the funniest thing is she rode up in the elevator with us.
Wait, really? Yeah, that was
That was her, yeah. Dude, what the fuck? It's 12:02. Calm your bitch ass down. The first of many. You chewed it? Aren't you supposed to like suck on it? No, I'm gonna chew them. Do you want the Gabe gang to help, or do you want you to take all 80? No, I'm eating all 80. Okay, just checking. I'm not a pussy.
Okay, buddy.
Oh. Number 5. How are they tasting so far? Like menthol. Oh. You gotta champ it out. Which one is this? I think number 8. 8? I think that's it. Okay, you have to do that 10 more or 9 more times. You know when you like feel sick, but like in the top of your stomach?
Yeah.
Imagine like that, but like the sickness is ice cubes. It feels like that.
Damn. Okay.
And I'm gonna do it 10 more times. That's good.
I bet. I want you
Feed me.
I want you to really go for it.
Feed me like I'm a baby bird.
Hey, someone open the door. Eat it.
And that's 12?
Yeah, so I think why.
That's 12. Oh my god. Holy shit, it's Spider-Man. Hey Spider-Man, what are your thoughts? Are you worried?
For menthol flavored cigarettes.
I don't know. Double trouble. Oh, dude. I mean, like.
How many careful there?
2 more. You're gonna break me like a baby. Okay, let's do it. Alright, come on.
Like, jump on my head.
Oh my god.
Alright. 2 more. Alright. I'm sorry, this is really hard to explain. Okay. I have a really shitty YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
And I have to eat all 80 of these cough drops in the next like hour.
Good luck.
Yeah, no, it's kind of awful. I'm only like 30 deep right now. I have to eat 80 cough drops.
You got 80?
Yeah, I got a whole bag.
Why?
His stomach made any noise. A sign of protest.
I could do it. This is America. Double trouble.
What's up, I'm Gabe and welcome to Gabe TV.
What's up, I'm Gabe. Welcome to Gabe TV. Come with me on this journey. This reminds me of my boyfriend. Come. Come, dick and balls, come. Hey, yo, pause, bro. Come. Hey, yo. Come.
You cannot put that in the video.
You were on lozenge 40, halfway there. Give me the halftime thoughts.
No, I'm feeling good. Feeling rested up. I feel like I got a lot more in me to give.
Man, shut up.
And I feel like, shut the fuck up, bitch. And I feel like,
a minute ago.
I feel like, you know, I have a lot to offer as an athlete.
Give me some lozenges.
And I feel like,
Oh, we doing lozenge
you
41?
know, I feel like everyone outside here is just pussies, you know? And I feel like,
Who else is
I
eating
feel like
80
the-
lozenges?
Well, like you gotta.
I feel like these pussies can't eat 80 lozenges like I can, right? Like, no one.
Your mother's watching.
Body.
He's got 3
I
in his
looked it
mouth.
up.
Oh,
Nobody's been eating these many cough drops.
What's the world record right now, Gabe? 27?
Nothing.
No one's ever had a
some
cough
dude
drop.
named Mark claims that 27 is a world record, but Mark, I just hit 45. Your move. Traced.
What? How many is that?
Only 2.
No, but like total.
Oh, like 47.
47.
Trace.
Like seriously, man.
Hey. I want to make her baked Alaska.
Alaska Thermidor.
I want to learn what baked Alaska is, and then make it for your sister. All right.
Baked Alaska.
4.
Is that a fish?
Marbles.
Oh, I did one too.
Cut there.
Magic stones.
Beckham's sister.
Beckham's sister is beautiful.
This man is like 60 cough drops in.
He's
Full of rocks.
There we go. Take them.
with the chaser.
Yeah, munch that. Dude, we're most
so bad.
of the way there. We've eaten most of them, and by we I mean
This
Gabe.
unit right here.
Like when I try and swallow them, my body's like, nah, dog, you already had a lot of those.
But you don't think you're gonna throw up?
No,
Okay.
not yet.
Gabe,
Not yet.
Gabe is close to the finish line.
These faux cough drops.
Can't be quiet about that.
Oh, there we go.
Can't be quiet about that crunch either.
That crunch.
That crunch.
Crunch.
That Gabe TV crunch.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to eat a cough drop again. Gabe TV never loses. Another 40 calories.
Take him. How's it feeling? Are you sick of the taste yet? Yeah. That's that honey lemon for you. That's the honey lemon
I'm
talking.
gonna eat them.
These are the last 4.
Like so sad.
Gabe, home stretch, buddy.
It's over.
Oh,
Oh my god.
just like that.
It does like that we do.
Gabe ate 80 cough drops.
Just pick it up a light 80. Just pick this up for a light 80. Hey yo, Beckham's sister, I think you're very beautiful. And I think you should like.
Just get it out, Gabe.
You should let me take you out on a date.